Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bodabra Bow Maker. Now I'm going to show you how to make this really cute and super simple fall wreath or door bow. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bodabra bow wire. I folded it in half. I'm going to lay it into my Bodabra and I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I'm gonna take this really pretty, it's our Bodabra, sort of like a stripe of glitter with a burlap edge. Take the right side of the ribbon and scrunch that down into my Bodabra. Then I'm gonna fold it over and I'm gonna again take the right side of the ribbon and just scrunch that into my Bodabra. Then I'm gonna come here and scrunch the center and just sort of shape my loops. Then we're gonna do exactly the same thing. Take the right side, scrunch that in, and I'm gonna come back around, and I'm going to, again, take the right side, scrunch it in, come to the center here, and scrunch that in. And if you wouldn't mind, I would love it if you guys could please click the subscribe button below and share this video with your friends. So now I'm gonna take this beautiful glitter ribbon. I'm just gonna go to the center and scrunch that in. And I'm just kind of putting everything in opposite directions. I'll put this in here. And then I'm going to take my mesh, which just automatically curls, and I'm just gonna scrunch it in here. And I have another piece of mesh, and we're just gonna push that in, another diagonal. And I have our really pretty, like, splattered paint ribbon. Take the right side, scrunch that in, and then take the right side and scrunch this in here. So you guys, please, if you wouldn't mind, if you could share this video with your friends, comment below, let me know the bows you'd like to see me make. So now again, I'll take the right side of the ribbon, scrunch that in, and I'm going to fold this over and scrunch it in, and then go to the center, scrunch it. And if you want to make sure you're in the center, you just kind of fold your loops up to make sure that they're the same size. I'm just going to take my wand and give everything a really good push here. And then what I'll do is take this last piece. Again, I'm going to take the right side of the ribbon, scrunch that into my Bodabra, bring it back around, scrunch that in, come to the center here and scrunch it in. Then I'm gonna take my Bodabra bow wire and I'm going to just pull this through my slip knot, push it tight while it's still in the Bodabra, pull it out. I'm gonna separate the ends, bring it around to the back. I'm gonna tie a knot. And this bow could be used for, and if I'm gonna use it as a centerpiece, I would clip the ends, but if I'm gonna use it for like a door bow, or to tie onto a wreath, then I'll leave the wire to use to tie it on. But I'm just gonna clip it now since I'm gonna make this as if it's a centerpiece. So now all I have to do is just shape out my loops. And these are this is a wired ribbon, which makes it really easy to shape. And then we'll just kind of pop this out here and pop this and kind of bring my gold down there. And you have this really, really super easy to make door or wreath bow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the subscribe button below and follow us on Facebook so you'll get notified every time we have a new video. I look forward to seeing you in our next video.